Hey Gina, thanks so much for having me out here. It was a pleasure to meet you. Eddie Multi-Man Services, this is all we do is low pressure soft washing, exterior cleaning, driveway cleaning, roof maintenance. So while I was looking around your house, especially your back patio, it doesn't look like there's really too much crazy washing to go on there. I think you told me that they were going to fill in the cracks, and they were going to get all that set up, get the pool open, and then we can come in and wash everything down after all the landscape people make their mess, and we can come by and wash it up. I did a test over here. This is with the rust remover chemical. It's actually a concrete brightener as well. So I just found one little area. I think the rust marks were similar to this right here, if you can see that in the video. They weren't as bad as this. I didn't want to do that whole area. Now I wasn't able to take all of it out. You do see some rust spots. I saw a couple areas in your driveway where you just have like a piece of metal in your driveway, and that's not going to get any better unless it's removed. But check out what this looks like, and if you like the entire driveway to look like that, I can include that in the price. It might be a huge improvement on the rust, but not perfection. So look forward to working with you. It's an honor, it's a privilege to be able to quote your home and help you out with your needs. Any questions you have about my proposal, don't hesitate to let me know, and I can clarify anything, or we can make a package deal with multiple services. And look forward to working with you, Gina. Any questions you have, you can call at my personal cell, 815-520-6020. Thank you.